is a day of immense pride and joy for every Indian. As we come together to celebrate our independence, it is an honor to have with us a distinguished personality, Shri Praveen Chauhan, Deputy Commandant, NDRF. We are truly privileged to welcome our venerated chief guest. Please welcome the dignitary. May I now request our Associate Director, Headmaster, Shri Amitabh Agnihotri, to kindly assist the esteemed chief guest to unfurl the national flag.
Yes, salute! Salute!
May I now request our Honorable Associate Director and Headmaster, Shri Amitabh Agnihotri, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Good morning, respected Praveen Chauhan ji, the Deputy Commandant of the NDRF, my dear boys and girls, and my fellow colleagues. My dear children, of having such distinguished people in our midst today is to inspire you to do your best, to have a vision for the country, to remember the sacrifices that our forefathers have made, and also to value the independence that we enjoy. This independence that we have has been almost given to us on a golden platter. We have not had to work hard for it. We, as in the people sitting or standing here just now. It's the sacrifices that our grandparents and great-grandparents and people before that have made. And it is extremely important for us to remember that there is great responsibility that comes with great power. So if India is a superpower today, if India is one of the largest economies today, it's the largest country in way of population, then there's also responsibility attached to it.
Shri Praveen Chauhan, Deputy Commandant, NDRF Mundali, is a native of Indore, MP. He joined My Parent Cadre CISF in 2004. Shri Chauhan served at IGI Airport, Delhi, Bengaluru Airport, Naxalite areas in Jharkhand, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation and NTPC power plants, and Chennai Seaport respectively. He has been trained in securing airport, seaport, metro rail, critical government infrastructure, VIP security, and in various rescue techniques to deal with different emergency scenarios. Now on deputation in NDRF from April 2024. May I now request our venerated chief guest to speak few words to motivate us with his inspirational thoughts.
First of all, I wish all of you and your families a very happy Independence Day. We are standing here to celebrate our Freedom Day. This occasion is granted to us because of the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who made lot of sacrifices throughout their life. Now it's time for you children to follow the same path. At this age, when we are shaping our future, two things are very important. The first thing is discipline, and the second thing is dedication. If you follow these two lines, if you make your life a disciplined life, if you do hard work, if you work for your target with full dedication, then I'm sure that you will get success.
Thank you, sir. It is my privilege to invite our Deputy Headmaster, Sir, Mr. Somyadipta Moitra, to deliver the vote of thanks.
First and foremost, I express my deep appreciation to our chief guest, Sri Praveen Chauhan, Deputy Commandant, NDRF, for gracing this occasion with his esteemed presence and inspiring words. Sir, your life of service and dedication to the nation truly embodies the spirit of this day. My sincere thanks to our Headmaster Sri Amitav Agnihotri for his constant guidance and leadership, which continues to steer our school towards success and excellence. The faculty members for their tireless support, and our student council for leading with enthusiasm and discipline. I would also acknowledge the media team for capturing every moment so beautifully.
Shamita Singh, the Vice Head Girl, Pranjal Priyadeshni, the Cultural Captain, Shamini Tarve and Askan Singh, the Sports Captain. The Colour Party is followed by the students of Vajra House, led by Maino Minu Sore, the House Captain, ably assisted by Anita Karan, the Vice Captain. Vajra House is followed by the students of Chakra House, led by Bibi Agrawal, the Vice House Captain, ably assisted by Romaj Giri Sahu, the Vice Captain. Chakra House is followed by NCC cadets. The NCC aims to develop qualities like discipline, leadership, patriotism, and selfless service in young individuals. NCC cadet is followed by the students of Dwaja House, led by Angel Jaiswal, the Vice House Captain, assisted by Kaushik Kumar Mohanty, the Vice Captain. Dwaja House is followed by the students of Srivastava House, led by Smile Agrawal, the Vice House Captain, ably assisted by Yuvraj Singh Vardi, the Vice Captain.